Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Wasabi wallet for privacy and coin selection, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your Wasabi wallet for enhanced privacy and coin selection, start by launching the application. Once the wallet is open, navigate to the settings menu. Look for an option labeled updates or check for updates. Click on this option to see if a new version of the wallet is available. If an update is present, download the latest version by following the prompts on your screen. After the download is complete, close Wasabi wallet to prepare for the installation. Locate the downloaded update file in your device's file manager. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, reopen the Wasabi wallet. Next, access the privacy settings within the wallet. Here you will find options to adjust coin selection preferences for better privacy. Select the Coin Selection tab to access the relevant options. Enable features such as Coin Join to enhance your transaction privacy. Adjust other settings according to your preferences for transaction anonymity. After making the necessary changes, save your settings. To ensure the changes take effect, restart the Wasabi wallet application. Once reopened, you can verify that your settings are active by revisiting the privacy settings. Now, you are ready to use your Wasabi wallet with updated privacy features and improved coin selection options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.